get into this video, please make sure you hit that subscribe button there. My son would greatly appreciate it. He checks the followers every chance he gets. He gets really excited when he gets new followers. All right, but anyway, let's get into this unboxing here. So I don't know which, I got multiple boxes today. So I don't know which one this is, but let's open it up and see. It's a pretty big Nike box. Let's see, what could this be? You see, Nike Ambush. Okay. So these are the Nike Ambush. You see here, Air Max 180 High Ambush, men's size 14. I actually thought I got these in a different size, but oh well. All right, let's see what we got here. Wow, that's nice. I like that. That's nice how they have that. All right, so here you go. These are the black ones. I know I've ordered multiple shoes. They all came the same day. See here. It's fairly light. Very light shoe. Yeah, let's see here. Let's do some close-ups here. There's the sole. There we go. Look at that. Interesting. Huh. All right. Ambush 180. Oh, wow, that compresses a lot just with your finger. I'm sure, as you see, I just opened these up, so I did not have a chance to try them on and walk around in them. Now, this is very interesting. So this material right here, of course, stretchy neoprene, has these holes in it. Very interesting. I guess that's to help your foot breathe. I can imagine it would probably be pretty difficult putting your foot in. So if you're not paying close attention, your foot will end up through here or through the one on the other side. I can see myself doing that and stretching the whole thing up and getting frustrated. All right, so this material right here feels quite cheap. But then again, if like the inside of it right here feels like an emergency blanket. That is weird. The inside feels like one of those emergency blankets, and the outside just feels like that hard old school nylon with like some, I guess, this fly wire stitched through there. I'm actually kind of curious how this shoe feels. It looks better in the photos. Person, I mean, for this to be a men's shoe, to me, it does look quite feminine. Looks like this should be a girl's shoe and not a man's shoe. But that's just my opinion. Let me know what you guys think. Like, comment, and subscribe. Especially comment for those of you that have these. I might do a video after trying these on. But I don't think I'll be keeping these. I think I'll be putting these on the aftermarket sites there to sell them. But this, yeah. This is like a soft plastic here on the toe. I guess it's to keep the toe box from stretching, this type of material. I can see this happening. This, I don't know what that is. This is like another soft plastic. I guess the heel counter. Kind of keep your heel set in place. Traction here. It's like your basic Air Max traction right here. This is a little different how they have this here. This right here is just translucent sole. So this may look like it could be similar to a sole of the 720s or the 720s to 270s or the Vapor Max or something, but it's not. This is actually a hard rubber right here. That's not the air bubble. The air bubble is right inside there, what you see with the pillars. Anyway, this is the unboxing of the Air Max Ambush 180 Black. All right, guys. Peace.